Welcome to the latest update program. The topic of discussion is martial law. South Korean President Yoon Yeol declared martial law on 3rd December 2024 during political tensions involving a bipartisan opposition in parliament. The martial law decree was lifted after a parliamentary vote rejected it, with the National Assembly declaring it invalid. The declaration was made after military personnel surrounded the parliament as a response to anti-state actions the president cited. Despite opposition criticism, the presidential office formally withdrew military forces during a cabinet meeting in the early hours of 4th December. Now, before moving to the next slide, we have an announcement for you. Drishti IAS in Noida presents the IAS GS Foundation Prelims plus Mains course. The first offline batch is now open in both Hindi and English medium. Join us on December 9th for Hindi medium batch at 3 p.m. and on December 12th for the English medium batch at 6 p.m. The classes will be held at C171/2, Block A, Sector 15, Noida, UP, just a short walk from the Noida Sector 15 metro station. For more details, call us at 9311406440. Don't miss this opportunity to take the first step toward your IAS journey with Drishti IAS. Now let's discuss about details of the parliamentary rejection. The South Korean National Assembly voted against martial law, stating that they would protect democracy with the people's support. Speaker Woo Won-shik of the National Assembly confirmed that the martial law was invalid and pledged to safeguard democratic processes. This swift reaction from the parliament occurred within 3 hours of the martial law declaration, emphasizing the unity in rejecting military rule. Now let's talk about public reaction and significance. The public response to the martial law declaration was mixed, with protests and concerns about a return to authoritarian rule. South Korea has a history of authoritarian leaders, and the president's actions raised fears of a return to military rule. The event marked a dramatic shift in the country's political landscape, highlighting the tensions between the executive branch and the opposition-controlled parliament. It's time to test your knowledge. And the question is, what was President Yoon Yeol's reason for declaring martial law? A. Economic crisis. B. Anti-state forces. C. Military threat from North Korea. D. National protests.
For more informative content, like, share and subscribe, and do not forget to press the bell icon to get the notifications.